Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Mazda CX-9. Stock number is 18B153A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Continental tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row bench seating. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera, and the CX-9 is all-wheel drive. So on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a 6-disc changer. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.